Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oneplus Nord CE2 Lite 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can take photos using night mode on your phone Oneplus Nord CE2 Lite 5G. First, open camera on your phone here and keep the mode in night. This is night mode and in night time you can try. Now open the picture that you took. Wow, it's fantastic. In this way, you can easily use night mode in your phone for taking photos in OnePlus Nord CE2 Lite 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.